not talking. Kapag bukas yung light porch ng bahay. Ang daming maga. Ready? Where's your mask? Mga friendship, ngayon po October 31 dito sa Canada. And alam nyo na, syempre trick or treating. So mag-trick or treat po kami. Samahan nyo kami tonight. Trick or treat ang mga bata. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano kaganda yung mga decor ng mga bahay dito. Tapos kung ganong kadaming chocolate yung makukuha namin mamaya pag uwi namin. After namin mag-trick or treating. So tara! Tapos, kasama rin pala natin yung mga tropa peps nila, si Ikang at saka si Shatot. Yeah, let's go. What?
Yeah!
We're gonna go.
Ikang and Shatot's car. Yeah! Let's go.
What are you? What are you?
Asuna.
Ika, what are you?
Spider-Man.
Where's your mask? Ayun yung mask. Suot mo yung mask.
No.
Why no?
Not buy.
Ha?
Not buy.
Later?
Later we wear, ha?
Oh.
Uy, nandito na yung Christmas tree!
Oh.
Christmas tree! Christmas tree!
Yan yung Christmas tree natin dati.
Yay! O, birthday ko sa'yo.
I'm super fun.
Super fun. Uwi na yung Christmas! Okay, never leave. Ay, Spider-Man. Where is there? Ano yung mask?
Ayun si Max oh. Ayun oh. Ayun. Let's go, let's go.
Go, go, go.
What up, Maxie? Just around the, just around Chestermere. Yeah, we're the.
No, my gloves.
Today we are going to go to eating. Yay!
So guys, andito na kami kina Ikang at Shatot. Dito na sila. Hello!
Hello.
What are you?
I'm
Black Panther.
I forgot my mask there.
Asan yung mask mo?
I got. They gonna get.
So medyo malamig ngayon. So ang weather natin is +9. So medyo malamig. Lagi naman malamig every November 1st day. So that's fine.
Are you?
What up, Evan? Good. Are you coming? Yeah.
I make sure they got enough candy.
I know, right? The full bar ones. Hello. Prepared. Ang daming ano ah.
Oh, you look great.
Ang daming bag ah.
No, just one. Just one for video.
Ang cute naman ito.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Cute naman ito.
Oh yeah, just let's go.
Friendship, ano? Ready? Lamig, no? It's cold.
Isha, here's your mask. This is fine. That's fine. Oh, get the Black Panther.
So, first house natin, mga friendship. Woo!
Much improvement from last
I know, right? I think,
dito.
yeah.
Should take a picture. Go, Seb, go.
I think we're gonna last to this day. I think we're gonna last for more than hours.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see how mom feels about that. I heard that.
Ooh.
Happy Halloween! Hoy, hindi nakabuka yung kay Seb. Seb,
Team aga tayo. Ganito dito sa Canada mga friendship, talagang pinagkakaabalahan yung mga Halloween decoration. Oh, may yung nasa bintana.
Oh, what are you gonna say?
Ito, we're gonna say thank you. Thank you. Who's that? Baymax? Kagulo na sila mga friendship. Dali, dali, go, 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 go. Ang daming energy.
Paano nila mo meron dito?
There's a light.
Where?
I didn't see that too. It's like there's a light.
Know what you're doing.
Yeah, we know, but we didn't see it.
That's their friend.
Okay. Say thank you. Did you say thank you? Say thank you.
Thank you!
I'm here.
Tommy,
Is it open? Oh, yeah. So mga kapatid, ang trick, pag magti-trick or treat ka, kapag bukas yung light porch ng bahay, pwede kang kumatok. Magbibigay sila ng candy. Pero kapag walang ilaw, tapos nakasara lahat, ibig sabihin, hindi sila magbibigay ng candies. Ang lamig! Ano yung tsura natin ngayon, oh? Ang lamig, oh. Ha? Next year, next year, next year. Next year kami magko-costume. Daming energy ni Sebseb, oh. Go, 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 go.
There, where's our bag?
Oopsie.
O, dali. Ayan na, Sam. Ayan na, ayan na. Go, 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 go.
Go, astronaut.
You keep all their candy, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Just curious.
Last
Well,
time
I
we brought
sorted.
it in
I
the
sorted,
Philippines.
actually.
Yeah, no, I know, but you like keep it for yourself. Though.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
We don't give it to them.
Yeah, this is for them. The candy's for us.
I know, right?
Yeah, just one.
Yeah, look. Let me see. You got enough? Nice. Let me see, let me see. Can you show me?
Oh.
What?
Oh, let's go. Are you cold now? I have your jacket here. Okay, you're cold.
You know what's the saddest part? They don't even get. Last year, they weren't even tired.
No, they were tired. Like Sebastian was tired. That's why we went early, right?
He was young.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and he was younger too.
He was what, 3, right?
He was, yeah.
Now
No.
he's-
No.
two.
No, last year. That was just last year. Oh yeah, 2, because he's turning 3
Three
this year.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
why.
he just
Yeah.
went to December,
Terrible
so he's
forward.
like
Mm-hmm.
1.5.
And now he's like, you know, I'm ready. Bring it on. Let's go,
Yeah, I know,
bitches.
But
So did you find out what you're having yet?
Baby girl.
Oh, did he tell you yet?
Yeah, finally.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Surprise.
Well, she,
Excited.
yeah,
Like, my body, I hurt. I want to know.
yeah, because the one doing the X-ray or what do you call it? Ultrasound. They asked us if you want to know the gender or at least the envelope, and she was like, "Okay, yes, the envelope." What's the point? So I opened it.
He said no at first, but I asked for it.
Pagka ano, kuha agad eh, alis agad eh, no? Did you say thank you? You say thank you after.
I have yoyo pop.
Yoyi Pop. Thank you.
You have yoyo pop? You have yoyo pop?
You always say thank you, guys. Always say thank you. So tulad ng mga friendship, nakabukas yung ilaw niya. Ayun no, nakabukas yung ilaw niya. So, pwede kang kumatok. Hindi sila magagalit. Kasi preferred silang mamigay ng chocolates or candies. So tulad niya, walang mga ilaw. Oh. Hindi sila mamimigay ng mga candies.
Excited talaga si yoyo.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the bigger house across the street. There's more candies there. Okay. Let me see. Can you see? Can you show? Whoa, let's go. Watch out for cars, ha?
Step open, ready lagi. Open.
Ito yung exciting part sa mga bata. Yung exciting part sa amin, yung pagkain tsaka pagkuha ng mga candies tsaka yung full bars. Not really. Now they're doing it. They're doing it on the malls and like expensive exclusive villages or subdivision. Pulutin mo, friend.
Kung mga $10 pwede.
Thank you.
The craziest thing I've ever heard.
See ya. Nakabuka bukas. Oh, I should have brought like a bigger bag too. Because it will get heavier, right? We don't.
Did they go to Manong Boy? Not yet, no? Yeah, basta lang.
Go to what?
To Manong Boy, our neighbor.
Sam, you good? Oh, watch out for cars, ha? Oh, dun Christmas na, oh. No, Sam? Tired? Hello! Ewan, happy Halloween! Talagang talagang pinagkagastosan talaga nila yung mga decoration nila dito, mga friendship. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Oh. Look at that. Ito pa, oh. Ang laki ng ano nyo, oh. May mga sabit-sabit pa siya. A for effort.
Oh, my friend went to the Mackenzie one, the house. She said it was crazy, like full display up to the back of his house.
Oh?
It was
Yeah.
like so big.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Seb, watch out your step, Seb.
So big deal talaga dito yung Halloween, yung Halloween party, meron sila mga ganon, Halloween gathering, yung mga ganong stuff. Ito pa, another house. Tingnan nyo naman mga friendship. Oh, naman parang may graveyard, oh. Yun yung front yard niya, nilagyan niya ng mga tombstone, oh. Parang ano talaga, oh. Graveyard. Tapos may mga decoration siya. Yun yung ka-big deal yung mga Halloween event. Oh, naka-costume pa yung yung host owner. Naka-costume pa siya, oh. Oh, ayun, oh. Wala, hindi ka na ma-zoom, eh. Pero naka-costume siya. Got it? Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah. Saloon. Thank you, guys. Good job. Yeah.
Buti hindi siya natatakot.
Oh, look dito, look dito. Look here, Seb, look here. Ito, wala. Ito, walang ilaw. Other house. The house with lights lang, Sam. You know, he'll do it. He'll do it. Say hi. Don't be scared. Go. Say what? Say thank you. Thank you. See you. I know. I did. Go there. Go. Grab ng candy. Go. Takot ka na? Thank you. Dump niya. Dali. Dump niya.
No, later.
Getting heavy.
He doesn't like it. Later, it's okay.
Like,
No, I'm not gonna give it to you.
Okay. Nisip pa na ako, mga friendship. Ang lamig.
and just likes it if I look weird.
Nagkasipunan na po tayo. Ring the bell. Ayun, ayun, yun. Ayun, Nina, dali. Go. Don't be scared. Thank you. Let's go.
You got it, Seb. Let's go, Seb. That's it.
It's like it's not enough yet. Give me more. Oh, Seb, right there. Seb, right there. It's heavy? Oh, put it here. Oh, put it here. So, di ba mga friendship, ang sayo mag-trick or treat dito sa Canada? Oh, pak! Oh, mami, dami na nating candy. Dami ka na candy? Are you having fun? Huh? Yeah? Are you having fun? Yeah? Di ba? Dami na nating candy mga friendship. Dami na nating pang snack the whole month. Eh tapos nagsimula pang umulan. Look. So, medyo lumalakas. Mamaya na ulit na magbi-video mga friendship.
After the rain.
After the rain. Kasi yung camera natin fragile.
It's not waterproof.
Hindi waterproof, friend.
Waterproof.
So, syempre mga friendship, meron tayong pakape. Oh, they're home.
Dito.
Meron tayong pakape. Oh, di ba? Thank you.
Small.
Thank you.
Thanks, wife.
Thank you.
No?
So, meron tayong pakape mga friendship. Thank you. Sponsor natin si Ate Dice.
That's the house I want, by the way.
It is, yeah. This is a beautiful house. I know. Friendship, look at this house. It's beautiful. See? It's unique. Look at the
That's
arc.
the most unique house I've been this close to.
Yeah.
That isn't like in the middle of nowhere.
Exactly, yeah.
Right?
And look at the interior.
Yeah.
There are beams. And high ceiling. Yeah, it's huge.
Yeah, and it's got that dome ceiling. so
Yeah.
you can see.
Yeah.
That's,
I'm gonna
that's
compliment the owner. It is. Thank you. I love your house, by the way. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah. Have a good night. Happy Halloween.
Sila.
Oh, friend, enjoy ka mag-Halloween. Ito na yung dati, shot-shot eh, no? Ngayon, trick or treating.
Kape-kape na yun siya.
Kape-kape na lang eh. Dati, shot-shot. You're good? Are you enjoying?
Yeah,
Yeah.
look at it.
Look at how many candies you got. You got a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, picture.
picture
Ikang, picture muna kayo. Wala pa kayong picture. 1, 2, 3, cheese! Next year, babawi tayo. Magko-costume din tayo next year.
Charmander, Pikachu.
Mga friendship, medyo nagbibisi na sa neighborhood na to. Yun yung dami ng tao. Right there, oh. Dami ng tao. Dami ng mga bata. Guys, mapupuno na yung grocery bag natin, oh. Madami na yung mga bata. A lot of kids now. No, mga friendship, tinan nyo naman to, oh. Yung mga ganito pang pa-effect. Tinan nyo.
Gagalaw
Oh!
ko.
May paa pa, oh. May kumukulo pa.
That's cool.
I know, that's cool, eh. Galing, eh, no? Ang dami yung mga abubot dito, oh. Yun yung ang daming mga decoration. Oh, wow! Pati yung kotse niya. Didn't notice that.
I didn't until it blinked at me.
Oh, it's a singing pumpkin. Look. Look at that. Sam, look. Singing pumpkin. Look. Ito pa, oh. Kumukulo, oh. Projector. Yeah. Medyo dumidilim na mga friendship. Kasi ano na eh, pa-winter na kaya medyo maaga nang dumilim ngayon. Tired?
Yeah.
Mga friendship, tinan nyo tong decoration dito. Talagang all-out decoration, guys. Tingnan mo naman. Look at that. Turn natin yung camera around. Oh, grabe oh. From here, papunta doon. Tapos siya naka-costume din siya oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This way, boys. This way. Go, go. Go, Seb, go. Go. Go, 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 go. Go. You can do it. Go. Let's go. Go, Seb. Yeah. Oh, see? You say thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. Happy Halloween. Ang mga friendship, natakot kasi si Seb dun sa ano, sa decor na yun, no. Yun. Kaya, si Dice, bumibigat na eh. Meron ka pa bang dito si Ate Dice? Thank you. Muna dito si Ate Dice eh.
On to the next.
Let's go, Seb. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Friendship, busy na dito sa lugar na to. Ang dami ng tao. Look. Ang dami ng tao. Ang saya. Saya to kung merong alak sana eh. Joke lang. Alright, let's go. So mga friendship, nagutom na si Seb. So nagmerienda lang siya ng konti.
What is that?
Di ba ang bongga ng mga decoration dito? So, meron dalawa dito, dalawang malaking balloon. Merong cat, tapos merong pumpkin. Di ba? Ang taray. Go! May Smarties dun! Go!
He's distracted in black cat.
So, napapansin nyo mga friendship, medyo gabi na, no? Dilim na ngayon. Pero, ang dami yung mga bata, oh. Oh. Yan ang Halloween dito sa ano, sa Canada.
There you go.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Nice one.
Look, oh, Minion, no? Minion. Minion? It's not talking.
Okay, banana.
Busy na yung kalsada, mga friendship. Mga friendship, last block na namin to kasi pagod na si Seb. So, pero taray, look at this house.
Which way?
A for effort yung decoration niya dito, mga friendship. Yun nyo naman, no? Look at that. Sam, go! Dami naman to, look at this. What? That's crazy. May mga pausok effect pa siya, oh. Di ba? Taray. Sam, let's go. Seb, let's go. Wanna come? Look, oh. Look at that. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Wanna go? Ayun. So, uwi na kami. Magbibilang na tayo ng chocolates. So, guys, uwi na tayo. Oo nga, dami. Nasaan na ba tayo?
Dito pa rin sa may area namin, malapit lang.
Buti na, dito si Ate Dice, meron tayong sasabayan. Meron tayong sasabayan pa uwi. Aray ko.
Suyurin nyo din sa amin. Mga nakabukas ng mga ilaw.
Puno-puno ng chocolate.
Yes, hindi pa sila tapos?
Hindi pa. Ano yun? Luluso.
Sorry, nakabukas yung
Ano? Tatapusin nila lahat.
talaga po.
Ito ko yung sa, dito ko na ilalagay.
Alin? Atin ba yan?
Ba to? Ito, ito yun.
Yan yun? Nasaan na ba tayo? Parang naliligaw na ako eh.
Gusto madilim.
Ang daming bata. Oh, grabe.
Dami dito.
Oh, tumatawid pa
Dapat
sila
doon tayo
oh.
sa mga walang bata kasi ano doon. Maganda
Oh, maliliit pa yung mga bata oh.
Cool.
Oh. Ang dami mga bata, mga friendship.
Doon na, di ba yung sa'yo?
So ganito talaga dito sa Canada. Ang saya ng Halloween. Yun nga lang, pagod na yung mga maliliit namin kaya mauna na kami. Gusto ko pa eh.
O di ba nung nauna din tayo, bumalik pa sila, di ba?
Oo.
Gato na lang kami, sakay-sakay.
Tapos drop off na lang sa sa mga bahay-bahay.
Kasama si nanay, di ba?
Sabi mo, doon tayo
Ano mo, maganda pa sa mahogany.
sa mga mansion.
Sa mahogany nga.
Meron pa sila.
Ay, hindi po nga, no? Dami pa, oh. Ayun, oh. Saan na ba tayo? Parang naligaw ako. Ah, hindi. Ito na tayo sa may
Yeah,
sa may extension to, di ba?
Diyan lang kayo.
Ito, oh yeah, ito na. Ito na yung high extension. Ito na yung
na
high
yung sa
extension.
amin.
So, nandun tayo. So, marami pa. Hindi pa napupuntahan.
Ayan, sunod-sunod din to eh.
Oo. Ito pa rin nasunog na bahay.
Ayun, sunod-sunod din no.
Oo. So guys, kakauwi lang namin. Napagod na sila kaya nag-time out na kami. Pero kung hindi pa sila pagod, sobrang dami pa dapat naming bahay na pwedeng puntahan. At siguro hindi lang dalawang eco bag yung makukuha namin. Siguro mga ano pa yun, 5 or 6 na eco bag na chocolate and candies. So yun, sinimulan na ni Sam. Alright, takob na natin to kung anong kuha natin. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Okay na. Meron pa tayong isang eco bag. Dami niya, no? Ano lang yan? What do you call it? Isang block lang yan. Parang siguro ilang mga bahay yun. Siguro mga 20 na bahay. Or sabi mo na mga 25 houses. So ang gagawin naman namin ngayon, isa-sort namin to kasi yung iba, hindi naman sila masyadong mahilig sa chocolate at candies. Kaya susort namin siya. Ano meron? Ano pwede natin kainin dyan?
Not that one, tomorrow na. Ay, black. So, dami black sa'yo.
Ito masarap to.
Kaya mo yung mga tea.
That one is one candy to us.
Hmm?
That one is one candy to us.
Oh, help si Mami.
Here, chips like this. Put the chips here. Put it here.
The short.
Oh, Jesus.
So, ang mga ano dito yung mga big bars, oh. Ayan, ang laki, oh. Oh, mga full bar. Full bars. Ito po, oh, full bar. M&M. Full bar.
Smarties lang sa inyo, ha? Ito lang pwede sa inyo.
Gummy bear.
Mga adult talaga nag-enjoy dito, eh.
Smarties lang sa
Wait,
inyo.
gummy bear is something else. They're yummy.
Ay, tomorrow na, tomorrow.
Tomorrow na.
It's gummy bear.
So yun lang mga friendship. Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Until the next vlog. Bye-bye! So mga friendship, na-sort na namin lahat ng mga candies. So, ito yung mga i-garbage na namin kasi ano naman sila, mga ganito, or i-donate namin siya. Tapos, na-sort na namin yung mga full bars. Look at the full bars. What you got there? What? Rice Krispies. Tapos meron na tayong mga Sour Patch. Tapos nandito yung mga small sneakers, yung mga Smarties and everything. Tapos, ito. Sabi yung padala mo sa work? Tapos dadala niya sa work.
And M&M.
M&M.
And M&M.
And M&M.
Share mo kay Daddy!
Sam, lagay mo dito yan.
Ito yung isa sa mga favorite ko din, mga friendship. Hindi, show muna natin, Seb. Ano to? Airheads. Sarap to.
Lagay mo, yeah.
You like it?
Diyan, sa ziplock. Open mo yan. You put it there.
Marami ng chocolate.
Nakakain mo.
But
Airheads.
we are going to
Until the next video, happy Halloween. Peace.